Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get a deep voice. Firstly, improve your posture and breathing. Stand or sit upright to allow your lungs to expand fully and practice diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into your belly, not your chest, and a strong breath support produces a richer, fuller voice. Just lie down, place a hand on your belly and breathe so your hand rises with each inhale. Speak while maintaining that diaphragmatic support. Also, tension in your throat, neck and jaw raises pitch. Do neck rolls and jaw massages daily. And hum gently to warm up your vocal cords and relax your throat. People tend to speak faster when nervous. Slower speech naturally sounds deeper and more resonant, and you can record yourself reading aloud, then consistently drop your pitch slightly without straining. Also hum at a comfortable pitch and slowly descend in a tone, and feel vibration in your chest rather than throat. Slide your voice from high to low on a single note like a siren and strengthens control over vocal range and resonance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.